Okay, I'm going to show you how to put a help button into any Google document that your students are working on so that they can actually contact you immediately right when they're working on that assignment. You will get an email notification and it will be saved to a Google Sheet for documentation. So first thing, you're going to open up an assignment that you want your students to work on. Insert, I'm going to upload a picture, and it's this help button. And this help button, I just went to Google Images and I searched help buttons. And I chose the one I liked. So I'm going to actually put it right there for the students or for the parents. Then we're going to go to Google Drive, hit New, and we're going to do a Google form. And here is where you asked questions that you want your students or parents to answer. So I'm going to just title this help trainings. You can then put a description. And then you start asking a question. I would give this as short answer and have your questions, all of them required. Another would be maybe what subject do you need help on, because this isn't going to be tagged to any specific assignment. It's a general help button. So you can, put math, science, again, hit required. What assignment do you need help on? Short answer, yep, I did require it. Again, required. And then, what issues are you having? And it may be, I'm going to do a paragraph, it may be that they're actually having computer issues at this point. How do you want me to contact you? You want to be contacted by email? Phone? Or maybe Google Meets or Zoom? Again, required. And what is your email and phone number? Again, short answer, it required. If you want to have more questions or different questions, you can do that. Go to responses. You're going to click the hot dog. You're going to click get email notifications for new responses. This is how you get emailed. You're going to create a new spreadsheet. Title it. Whatever title you want, hit create. So all those responses are going to come in this, and it's going to be time stamped. I usually insert a column here and then do insert checkbox so that when I come over here, I can check it off when I've actually contacted the student or the parent. And then I type in notes so that I can actually put in notes. And that's all you have to do there. So you're going to go back to your form and go ahead and title it. Oh, there it is. Then you're going to hit send, and you're going to come to this link, and then you're going to copy this link. Then you're going to go back to your sheet that you want them to do. Click on the image, click link, and then right click and paste the link for the form, and there it's linked. Come back over here. You can go to your classroom now. Pick whatever classroom you want, click classwork, create assignment. Title it whatever title you want, give the instructions, hit add from Google File, and you're going to add the assignment. Make a copy for each student. You can, if you have multiple classes, you can pull this down and do multiple classes. You can pull this down and do all students, or you can click on this and do individual students. Go ahead and put a due date so they know when this assignment is due. And then go ahead and assign it out. And it's going to save the assignment. And here is the assignment. And when students actually click on it, it has the help button right there. I hope this has helped you guys.